What are the first signs of kidney problem and how to prevent it? Chronic kidney disease appear late, but common signs may be fatigue, swelling in ankles, feet, hands and face. You may feel weak. There is change in pattern of urination. It may be less or more. The color of urine becomes foamy. At times, it may be bloody. Skin may start itching. There may be loss in appetite. May suffer from shortness of breath and nausea. The taste may become metallic, and there may be trouble in concentrating. You may suffer from muscle cramps, and you may feel trouble in sleeping. These problems crop up from the toxin buildup and fluid imbalance. Friends, today we will be discussing about the much spoken disease relating to kidney. This is Bright Lifestyle. In the early stages of this chronic disease, you may not find any kind of signs, and there is where this disease becomes dangerous. The function of the kidneys is to clean the blood by removing waste and extra fluid, which turns into urine. Kidneys help in controlling the blood pressure of the person, and they maintain the balance of salt and minerals. The kidneys also help the body to make red blood cells and to keep the bones strong. In early stages of this disease, you don't find any problem or any kind of symptoms to make you aware of it. You might not feel sick, and you may not know that you are suffering from the problems of kidney. This disease is located quite late. If you are suffering from blood pressure, diabetes, or an autoimmune disease such as lupus from long time, these may cause damage to your kidneys. The other factors that may be responsible for your kidney damage may be smoking, being overweight, may have family history of kidney disease. Old age may also be one of the reasons. Frequent use of medicines can also damage your kidneys. In the early stages of this disease, you may start feeling tired all the time. This happens because of the shortage of red blood cells. This is called anemia. When you feel cold while others feel warm, well, anemia can make you feel cold all the time. Even in a warm room, there may be a problem in your kidneys. If you start feeling faint, dizzy, or weak, this is because your brain does not get enough of oxygen. When you find any kind of trouble in thinking clearly, you should become cautious, as this can lead to memory problems or trouble with concentration. You may find difficulty in breathing. Function of kidney is to remove wastes from the bloodstream. When your kidney fails to do this, the buildup of wastes in your blood causes severe itching. There may be swelling in your hands and feet because the failing kidneys fail in removing extra fluid. Your face may become swollen or puffy because of the accumulation of extra fluid. Taste becomes metallic. A buildup of waste in the blood is called uremia, causes ammonia-like bad breath. You may often get up in night for urination. You may feel pressure while urinating, and you may urinate more often. Urine becomes foamy. Prevention is often better than cure. Taking too much of pain relievers for a long time may lead to kidney damage, so avoid pain-relieving medicines as far as possible. Should keep healthy and ideal weight. Cigarette smoking may hurt your kidneys, so you should avoid smoking. Should take care of your sugar and blood pressure levels. Should drink 2.5 to 3 liters of water daily. Now we will talk about superfoods in case of kidney problems. First is raw red peppers. It is low in potassium but high in flavor and nutrition. Second is cabbage. Third is cauliflower. Fourth is blueberries. It is low in potassium and high in antioxidants. It works as an anti-inflammatory food. Fifth, you can include egg whites. It is low in potassium but rich source of protein. Sixth is garlic. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It lowers your cholesterol. Fish is high in omega-3 fatty acids. Red grapes, it is full of flavonoids. Ninth is olive oil. And 10th is strawberries. This is Bright Lifestyle. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you for joining.